In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily format your ebook and paperback using Google Docs and Reedsy. Formatting your book properly is crucial, so let's dive right in to ensure your content looks professional and polished. First, we start off in Google Drive, your gateway to creating a well-structured document. Head to your My Drive. This is where you'll begin crafting your manuscript. Start by clicking on New in the upper left corner of the interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Google Docs. This will open a blank document where you can begin drafting your book content. Once your document is open, proceed to the File menu at the top left corner and click on it. From this menu, choose Page Setup. This option is crucial for defining the dimensions and layout of your book. Once you've set your parameters, click OK to confirm your choices. Next, head over to the toolbar to select your desired font. Click on the font section and choose Times New Roman, a classic choice for readability. Following this, set the font size to 12, ensuring your text is neither too large nor too small. Again, this strikes a balance, offering a comfortable reading experience. Now it's time to organize your chapters. Click on Insert in the toolbar and select Page Break. This ensures every chapter starts on a new page, maintaining a clean, professional look. As you move forward, take time to add essential elements like the front matter, your title page, copyright notice, and dedication, as well as the back matter, which can include an author biography and acknowledgments. Once you're satisfied with your content, go to the File menu again, but this time select Download. Opt to download your document as a Microsoft Word .docx file, a format compatible with numerous editing tools. The next phase involves transferring your formatted content into Reedsy. Visit the Reedsy Book Editor website to import your book. Click on Import Book from your device. Choose your downloaded .docx file and click Import. You'll then manage and further edit your work through Reedsy's built-in editor, an intuitive tool for refining formatting, headings, and chapter breaks. Once you've meticulously reviewed and adjusted your book, you're ready for the final step. Reedsy allows you to export your manuscript in the ideal formats for distribution: EPUB for ebooks and PDF for print-ready paperbacks. This feature ensures your book is ready for any platform, whether it's digital or physical. And there you have it, your ebook and paperback professionally formatted and ready for your audience. We hope this step-by-step guide has been enlightening and equips you with the skills you need to format your book with ease and precision. Happy writing!